In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Adding an admin to your Wrike workspace can help distribute the workload, making your project management more efficient. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with it by the end. First, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. Open your browser, navigate to the Wrike website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see your current projects, tasks, and team members. Now, look for the top navigation bar. There you'll see Account, or possibly an icon that looks like a little person with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this. This will take you to the account settings where you manage all aspects of your Wrike workspace, including team members. Once you've clicked on that, you want to find the option that says Users or Team. Here, you will see a list of all members within your workspace, along with their current roles. To add a new admin, you will need to locate the person you want to promote if they are already part of your team, or you can invite a new member altogether. If the team member isn't already in your workspace, you would look for the Invite button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll need to enter their email address. Make sure to double-check the email for accuracy, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Along with that, there should be an option to assign them a role. At this point, you would select Admin from the drop-down menu. Now, if you're promoting someone who's already a part of your team, simply find their name in the list. You can click on their profile or on the three dots next to their name to access extra options. In the drop-down menu, you should see a choice to change their role. Click on Change Role and then select Admin from the available roles. This is a crucial step, as admins have different permissions, including managing users and altering settings within your Wrike workspace. After you've made your selections, be sure to save any changes. Generally, there would be a Save button or a confirmation prompt, so go ahead and click that. And just like that, you've either invited a new team member as an admin or upgraded the role of an existing member. Now, there's one last quick tip. Make sure to communicate with the person you're promoting or inviting, letting them know they will have admin access. This can sometimes come with added responsibilities, so it's good to keep everyone on the same page. And there you have it. Adding an admin team member in Wrike is as simple as that. You can always revisit this feature whenever you need to adjust your team structure. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks on using Wrike more effectively. Happy project management!